No, take a picture of it when it's done.
I'm taking a video while he's drawing it.
Ano yun?
Ito smart. Ito yung doctor eh. I told you I had too much coffee. I'm sorry. Exactly. It's my second day.
Okay.
In like,
I understand right now. Kung bakit.
my second day in what? 5 hours.
Ano yung babalero niyo? Kompleto mo na?
No, parang ayoko na nga eh.
Akin na. Ayaw mo na pala eh.
Pag-isipan ko. Because I got a new one eh. From Nike. So,
Power girl.
what?
Ay, pati si Magot. Hindi ka na nila.
What?
Hindi ka kilala.
Sorry. Reflex.
Where want that?
Kami ito para makompleto eh.
I want that.
Want what?
Ano? You like this?
Yeah.
Bumili ka?
No. But I want it.
Ganda lang.
Hindi, maganda siya.
Ganda lang.
Ito yung magandang-maganda.
Pwede. Oh my god, dude, if you see the pictures of our Christmas party.
How bad is it?
Oh my god.
I know. Girls Gone Wild.
What did your boss do?
Didn't go.
Ay, KJ!
Unless he went nung umalis na ako.
Malamang may naiwan.
I love it!
Thank you. Exclusively for
Numbered yan, ha? Numbered.
one.
Number 1, vinyl eh. Hindi pa gumagawa si Harvey ng vinyl. Hindi ako. Diba?
Exactly, dude. Let's document this, no?
Lagyan pa natin ito ng blue.
Hindi na sa'yo. Okay. Can
Okay.
you just put number 1 here, Harv? Pakilagay na rin 01 at DK. 01 DK. Diba?
Oo,
01
that's a good
DK.
serial, no?
DK01.
Let's go outside para 01.
01 outside DK. Labo.
It's still 01. Labo pa din.
Yan, o. See?
Shit.
Love it!
Okay.
I love it!
Okay, ha?
So awesome!
Ano nga, Felix?
Talaga.
Oh, no problema. Thank you very much for kakaya kay Harvey. To call his time, man.
Lalo na ngayon, di tayo na si Harvey. Minsan na lang yan.
Wow. Imagine when he's in when he's like Jim Lee.
Yeah!
That's a tulibaw, Sabi,
Ganda yung ring, ah.
I need one. No way, dude. I wonder how much it'll take for him to make one. Sabi, you have $20,000 if you don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.
Don't even think about it.
Thank you, sir.
Ay, tinanggal tape 1.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really?
Space ah. Ano mayroon?
Cute talaga si iPod.
Na, mata.
Oh, wala pa siyang mata.
Yung mata na lang.
Mata na lang.
Sa gitna lang? Ano pa? $20, $50, $80.
The most important thing.
Yeah.
Eyes.
Ano yan eh? Batman, di ba? Ganyan ang mata ni Batman.
Yun sa gilid, Harv. Kamila.
What do you think looks better? Is he looking to the side or is he looking front?
Parang gusto ko nga yung nakasilip sa gilid. Parang nag-iisip siya.
Sir, ultimate yung mga may-ari to, di ba? Alin? Yung tatlo?
Or I guess...
Harp, what do you think is nicer? Looking front or looking to the silip na patabing ganun?
Ako si Rani.
No, what do you
Maganda
prefer?
naman yung maganda lang naman yung nakaharap.
Si Rona, si
Pagtitingin ka
Hi,
nakaharap
San.
talaga siya.
Okay.
Tapos sa tabi yung feelings
That Don't breathe.
Yeah, no, galing mo. It's amazing how one dot just
Makes
Makes
everything. Pulls
everything.
everything together. Naoperahan na lang yung mata. So quiet.
Galing.
Ang pilik mata.
Lagyan natin mascara, no?
Galing, wow.
Pull it up!
I don't know, recording it.
Yes.
Let's put it on YouTube!
Mari, galing ha.
Let's put it on my YouTube account. And then I'll link your DA, Herb. I'll post it on your DA.
Yeah, maganda yon.
Yeah. Total, madali naman maalala yung DA viewer. Pag nakalimutan
Walang
ko
effort
kayo,
yun.
ewan ko na.
Yes.
Dahil si Mapa.
Stand.
Tayo, tayo, tayo!
Pare, pare, stand it oh.
Okay, picture, picture.
Picture, picture! Yan!
Ah, dude oh.
Dude, take a picture of the back, ha?
Wow.
Bakit may blue?
Ano lang
Ah, na ano yun?
Nag-smudge.
leg lang.
Ah!
I-lean back lang yung leg. Yan.
Yan! Take a picture! Teka lang, alis ako dito.
Mark Kong.
Allergic talaga sa camera.
Hey, the daddy.
The
dad.
Ikaw, pinicture. Labo. You're so weird. Nakakatakot ka, ha?
Wala. Sabihin.
Ganda oh. Ganda no ha?
Teka, yung angle niya, ayusin niyo.
Sa likod.
Kasi magandang angle. Get all the details. Teka, alisin niyo kaya mo na to.
Wait. Ay, sorry.
Tingko,
Mind making harang.
Dali lang, dali, dali.
Sa harp.
Saan yung iPad niya mismo?
Okay lang yan, I did so much. You did so much.
Sheila, where's the iPad?
Naklit!
Actually, I can't thank you enough for it. It's good.
Oh, online ka na.
Ha?
Online na.
Alis ka na! Huh? Hindi, rinto na tayo.
Cute naman ito.
Oh,
Sino yun? Is it a phone?
that's YM.
No, may gano'n kasing message tone, no?
YM yun.
May parrot naman sa
Parrot
Harvey? Harvey, lolo. Parrot naman.
Dok, ganun naman.
Yung back, yung back. Yung back.
Doc, lapit ka konti pa, black yung background.
Bastos.
Ayan, DK number 1, vinyl ano, pare.
Dali lang ha.
That's priceless.
Diba? DK number 1. Ang daming kumukuha litrato ah.
Oo nga, papahayan.
Sino ba yan dito ah?
Nawala lang yung picture. Sino ba yan?
Starcy Bart eh. Send me pics
Oh,
everyone.
because it's so nice.
Demanding ha?
Yeah, send me pics.
Okay.
You know what that started as?
Sure.
No.
No problem. Ang gwapo ni Bart.
I know, it's so hot.
When I was started just a couple of hours ago, that looked like this.
Yan, lolo ko. Ayan, sabihin mo.
Sabi mo before and after.
Wait, hold on. Ayan, okay.
Before and after.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ay,
Wait lang.
Yan, okay.
Kay Jay Gandahan, baka... Gaya mo naman si Marge to.
Ang galing.
likod.
Mag-back to back. Girl, to the left.
Ayan.
Ay,
Quarter turn.
Ayan, ang galing-galing talaga.
Ganun mo.
Yan, papakita yung shield. Oo nga, no.
I wanted kasi side profile, no? Hindi 3/4.
That's what you want.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the point. That's what you want.
Exactly, that's my point.
Sheila, it's
Yeah, pwede
going
ba
on your
ano?
account.
Pwede pakialis
Gonna hear your
yung
pitching.
hindi design. Yung lumakita yung likod lang.
Shit!
I mean, look at the difference lang talaga with the white and this one.
Parang may buntot si Mark.
That's his thing.
Likod din, no? Mutant. O, pakialis yung hindi maganda. Tapos pakiikot ang maganda. Ang galing-galing talaga. Hindi, likod. Gusto ko kasi yung likod.
Papuntang Kalamban. Ito yung mandawag.
Kinabit.
Dok, pakiulang to doon.
Teka, kunin ko yung iPad niya.
Oh, take a picture of the iPhone.
What iPad?
There's an iPad here, oh.
Hindi ko naalata ito. Dok naman eh.
That detailed.
Dok, ikaw ang unang ko.
Wait.
Dok, tayo ka lang.
Talaga, parang mga